Are your videos looking overprocessed or taking too long to upload due to HDR? Disabling HDR on your iPhone can simplify your videos, improve compatibility, and reduce file size, making uploads faster and more seamless. This guide will help you turn off HDR video recording step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off HDR video in Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Camera. Tap Record Video under the Camera menu. Locate the HDR video option. Toggle it off to disable HDR video recording. Step 2. Test non-HDR recording. Open the Camera app. Switch to Video mode. Record a short clip and check the video to confirm HDR is turned off. By following these steps, you can turn off HDR on your iPhone, making your videos more upload-friendly without sacrificing quality. If the video helps you out, smash that like button. And if you want more helpful tips and tricks like this one, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and take care.